Hey guys, so you guys clicked on the video because of the thumbnail, and that's the look we're gonna be doing, so let's get started. Okay, today we're gonna be using my Morphe X James Charles palette that I own because it is the only palette that has colorful eyeshadows that I have at the moment. So yeah, let's get started. And I know in the next clips I'm gonna be using concealer, and I know in my previous video I said I don't have concealer, but I stole it from my sister, so yeah. So we're going to be taking the Maybelline Age Rewind and putting it on my eyelid and just blending it out with my Real Technique sponge just to have a clean base. After that is all blended out, I'm going to be taking this Real Techniques brush just to get the two palette colors on the palette and setting down that concealer so that it won't crease. Okay, to get started with this look, we're going to be taking that bright color orange, the carrot color orange, and putting it on my crease, packing it on, blending it out, make it nice and clean. Alright y'all, this is the part where we have to be precise and clean. So we're going to be taking that same concealer we used to prime our eyelids and taking this e.l.f. concealer brush just to cut the crease, look up, mark where your crease is at, and we're going to be doing a half circle. Once that is done, we're going to be taking another Real Techniques brush and we're going to go back into that Morphe James Charles palette, getting those three blue shades, mixing them all together, and setting down that concealer. I forgot to tell you guys that I put loose powder underneath my eyes because there was a lot of fallout of the blue eyeshadows. But yeah, I'm just blending it in with the orange. And did you guys see the fly? I swear that was annoying. I wanted to beat it up so bad. Just kidding. But flies are annoying, I swear. Okay, so now after using up all my storage, haha, we're gonna be taking a flat brush and taking that blue shimmer shade, spraying it with my Milani setting spray, and packing it all over my lid to make the eye have a pop of color. A pop of shimmer, making it pop in. And to be more extra, we're gonna be taking another blue shade, like the one next to it. I sprayed it with my Milani spray, but I just didn't show it. And we're gonna put it right in the center. Wow, you see that? You see that? Okay, going back into the palette, we're gonna be taking the first color, the bright orange, and we're gonna put it back. You're gonna put it back inside the crease to, blend everything together. Wow, like you can see the orange, but like I just wanted it to be more blended. Now I'm taking that little Real Techniques brush and mixing all the blues just to blend the blue in with the orange even further. Okay, so now I'll be taking another brush and taking that orangey reddish shade just to add more depth inside the crease line and make it more like 3D, I guess you could say. Yeah. Okay, so I have this Wet and Wild blue eyeliner and I thought it was gonna be a great idea to put it right there. So I'm just gonna put it on like where it marks the crease. You'll see what I mean by it. Yeah, that's what I mean. Like just marking it like the crease line like that. After that, I'm just gonna go back with a Morphe brush and just blending it out. Okay, so I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. Okay, I'm back and I put on lashes because my storage was full and it didn't let me record until I deleted some stuff. And now I'm just taking this big powder brush, dusting away the bake. And I forgot to say this earlier, but I already did my face makeup. I already did my foundation and concealer. So now I'm just gonna be using my Wet n Wild bronzer here with a Wet n Wild brush and bronzing up my whole face. Okay, so now I'm gonna be baking my face using my loose powder with my old sponge, and while that's doing that, I'm gonna be taking my Real Techniques brush and taking all the colors that I used on my lid to put on my lower lash line. And I'm sorry if you guys see the fly, I just didn't notice it was there until I was editing. But yeah, after that, I'm gonna put this highlight shade on my brow bone and my inner corners to finish off this eye look. Okay, using this powder brush, I'm gonna be dusting away the bake and then using this Wet&Wild blush, and putting blush on my cheeks. Nice.